when the insurance company sends you a form asking you to release your wage loss information, do not sign it. Hello, my name is Darren Woodfork and I'm an attorney here in Scottsdale, Arizona. In today's video, I want to talk about why you should not sign a wage loss release when the insurance company sends one to you. In a previous video, I already talked about you should not sign a medical release when the insurance company sends it, but in this video I'm talking about not signing a wage loss form and why you should not do that. Again, if you're involved in a car accident here in Arizona, my firm can help you. You can reach me at 602-284-3035, or you can reach me by email at DarrenW, that's DERRONW @MSN.com. I'm going to be more than happy to help you. And so today, basically, the wage loss issue is something that when you're involved in a car accident and somebody's responsible for your injuries, they're responsible to pay you for all the time you've missed from work. They're responsible. They have to pay you for all the money you lost. And the insurance company knows that. I know that. Everybody knows that. And so what they do is soon after the accident, they're going to send you two releases. They're going to send you one release to release your medical information, and they're going to send you another release to release your wage loss information. And the reason why they do that is because, again, they know that you're entitled to that, and they act like they're doing you a favor. Kind of, they're saying, well, here, just sign this and we'll get that from your employer. You don't have to worry about it. But you don't want to do that. And the reason why you don't want to do that is, first of all, because you're going to get that sent over by your lawyer anyway. You're going to send that on your terms, on your behalf, basically. Just like I said before with the medical release information, don't let the insurance company get your medical information. You send that over on your own through your lawyer. And so that's the same thing. And the reason why you do that is because when the insurance company gets the release, they're going to go to your employer and they're trying to find out whether or not you just started work, and they want to know, well, if you just started your job, how do you know that you're going to be there for a while, and how do you know that you're entitled for this lost time? They're going to want to know if you used any of your personal time off that you might have had, or vacation time off that you might have had, and they might try to use that as like credit for the time you've missed off work, when that's not the law. Basically, the law basically says if you took any time of any personal time when you couldn't go to work because of your injuries, you're entitled to that personal time back from the guy who hit you under the law. So again, you don't want the insurance company digging into your employment history so that they can try to credit that stuff when that's not the law. They're obviously going to look at like how much you make, and they're going to contest how many hours that you're claiming you missed because of break times and lunch times and things like that. They're going to go into all of that, and then they're also going to go into basically how much you make, things like that. And then they'll look at any type of gaps in your employment too, like how many days a week you work, and if you missed any days. This is all before the accident. They're going to be looking at all those irregularities in your work schedule for that. So again, that's why you don't want to release your wage loss, your wage loss information. You don't want the insurance company going into all of that. Again, like I said, you're going to be able to send over a form, get that information on your own. Your lawyer will do that on your own and send that over, but you don't want the insurance company doing that. So anyways, so that's it. I'll put at the end, like I said, I have a card about how I said don't sign medical information. I'll put that at the end, or I'll put it in the card here somewhere, and that will help you. But again, if you're involved in a car accident, the insurance company is going to send you a couple of releases pretty early in the case, and they're going to ask you to release all this information, and don't do it. Hopefully that helps. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks.